Why? Because they did not seek it by faith, but as it were by the works of the law, for they stumbled at the stumbling stone. 33. As it is written, behold, I lay in Zion a stumbling stone and a rock of offense, and whoever believes on him will not be put to shame. So ngizothi encourage ukuthi bazalwane, we need to increase our faith kuNkulunkulu, because without faith angeke siunderstand izinto, angeke sibone amandla kaNkulunkulu uma singanawo ukholo, because liyashiza ukuthi uma unganakholo angeke umthokozise uNkulunkulu. So mawubuza ukuthi yini what is faith, we can go to Hebrews chapter 11. Verse 1, Hebrews chapter 11, verse 1 to 3. Lapha ithi, now faith is the substance of things hoped for, the evidence of things not seen. Verse 2, for by it the elders obtain a good testimony. By faith we understand that the world we framed by the word of God, so that the things which are seen were not made of the things which are visible. Verse 3, iti, by faith we understand that the things that the world were framed by the word of God, so that the things which are seen were not made of the things which are visible. So la ichaza faith, faith is having hope kwinto ongayiboni. And then faith to understand ukuthi umhlaba uyenza uNkulunkulu. So by faith we understand ukuthi la ngizele for a mission. Angizelanga ukuthi ngizoyenza izinto zomhlaba, but ngizele nge-purpose. I'm here for a mission yakaNkulunkulu. Fona nawe uzibuza ukuthi ngizeleni la emhlabeni. Fona uzibuza ukuthi why ngila. And lokhu ngakuthola uNkulunkulu kuphela. Nami ngazibuza ukuthi ngifunani la emhlabeni. Ngaqala ngadlala ibhola, ngayenza umculo konke, but ngabona ukuthi hayi akusokwami lokho. Kodwa ngakuthola uNkulunkulu ukuthi hayi fanele ngishumele ivangeli. Nawe fanele uzibuza ukuthi ngifunani la emhlabeni. Fanele uzibuze, because Satan uthanda ukutwista ama-gift wabantu. Wena fanele ubuhlawelela la, wena ule esportini. Wena udlala ibhola, fanele ngoba uyashumayela abantu ababukela wena abasazi la enkonzweni. Ngenxa yakho. So fanele uzazi ukuthi ubani, ufunani la emhlabeni. You must fix your life with God. Ngicela sibe nokholo, because ngokholo sobona amandla kaNkulunkulu, ngoba ithi uhlabelela inkosi namandla. Inkosi namandla. God answers. So tata ithuba lakho mawufika endlini, lithi go to your secret place and close the door and pray to the Father who's unseen. You need faith ukuza uNkulunkulu. You need faith. So now uzibuza ukuthi uNkulunkulu, okay, ngimzwile lo mfana lo, mina ngizeleni la, what is my purpose, what is my mission? Because uNkulunkulu uzokubuza ukuthi ungenzeleni. Wena uzothini? Now fanele uyazi ukuthi okay, mina ngizele lokhu. Angiyakhuluma ngayivala. Yabo.